So we finally made it in. We're at the Palace of Versailles, and it took us 3 hours to get in. 3 hours standing in line, and that is with the Paris Pass, so that was not fun. Anyway, here's a look at the one of the rooms.
Hall of Mirrors.
Hall of Mirrors, yes. I guess that's the chandeliers. So this is supposedly the most famous secretariat in the world. It took 8 years to make this piece. We're down here at the Gardens of Versailles, and we were really hoping to get one of the golf carts because there's a lot of walking. It's like a 2-hour tour through the gardens, and after that 3-hour standing in line, we were exhausted, but we couldn't find a golf cart. Anyway.
Like this or like this?
Like the friends doing a little something. Do you know the name of this?
A pond with trident and horses.
Your kite's spare balloon Wi-Fi audio guide spare balloon, and then you will be able to listen up the commentaries even in the upper deck. En el curso de crucero vamos a pasar bajo 22 puentes a las flechas que se encuentran junto a la pantalla. Los baños están abajo y serán cerrados 10 minutos antes de que se termine el crucero. Toda la tripulación os desea un agradable crucero. Podéis conectaros también al sistema de redes Wi-Fi o guías.
How long ago was it that you guys came here?
Oh, 34
years ago.
And you walked up the whole thing in a dress.
That's 34 years ago when a 34-year younger body. Yes.
Yeah. I think this is so funny how they have the Eiffel Tower. Where's the pump of it? It's the same. We're at the second story only. We're going to go all the way to the top. So this costs $10, and if you want to go to the top, it's $25.
Yeah, no. Can we sing up and away?
Up and away. All the way to the top. So if you're ever wondering if it's worth it to go to the top of the Eiffel Tower, all the way up to the top is 25 levels, I think? I'm not sure. Yes, it's definitely worth it. It's more spectacular up here.
We gotta do a selfie.
crossing the bridge today. There's a whole bunch of people taking their wedding photos on the bridge. The Eiffel Tower behind them. One of my favorite things. Cheese shop. I'm all about cheese. So the problem is that we are staying in this place right here, and this place is always closed. Every time we get home, it's too late, or we leave too early. So hopefully, we'll get in there and get some cheese. This is one of my favorite things: is cheese.
Just 1,500.
So maybe it's pre-warmed stuff, huh?
So they're closed for a couple of hours.
Some glasses. This is sculpted model. She's just called Penelope. I just can't believe this work. The museum. This is one of Monet's paintings. Badly damaged. They were able to salvage it. So that's just
Champs-Élysées. Yeah, it's perfect. You okay, babe?
Okay, we're climbing up the Arc de Triomphe. Our legs are dying from yesterday, standing in line for 3 hours on the cobblestone. Oh my gosh, I'll let you know when I get there. Okay, so we made it up there this time, huh? The top of this, we gotta count the steps still.
Yeah, it's a lot of steps, so it's tiring.
Okay, so we point to what? Montmartre?
Montmartre? Champs-Élysées. And
Top of the Arc de Triomphe. Okay, well, we made it all the way to the
John
top.
was getting mad at me for making too much noise.
Charles de Gaulle right here.
There's a nice appetizer
We
plate.
just got home and we decided to make ourselves a little appetizer before we go out to dinner. So, what do you have here, honey?
Well, we have
fromage
some
shop.
various salamis. We have various French cheeses.
We don't know what they are.
And then we have some
Part of the adventure.
Prosciutto.
basically prosciutto with
cheese and
cheese
salami.
inside.
All different kinds of cheese
Yes.
and salami.
And then we have a nice Bordeaux style wine, which is
Yeah.
that we're going to open here without hurting ourselves. There we go.
Whoa. And you said it's 5 years old.
Yeah, 5 years old, so it's a nice bottle of wine, as opposed to the
After party.
after party wine, which is more like $3 chuck.
Yeah. We're staying in an Airbnb and they didn't leave us any dishwashing detergent. So. Okay, so she was the dishwasher.
There we
She's
go.
got all these dishes clean.
Yes, I was just looking at drying. Oh,
Yeah.
paper towels.
Paper towels. Awesome. Yeah, well, this Airbnb that we're staying in is very nice, but no dishwashing soap. I'm not going to show you our room. It's messy already, and I forgot to film it earlier.
Okay.
Too many steps today.
Doctor said after a day, ice it. Gets me out of all the work.
Right. And then this is the
You said you were going to give me something I would say.
view out of our apartment. We're actually staying at a really nice Airbnb. We've got chocolate shops here. There's a fromage store, cheese shop, flower shop, shoe shop, coffee shop, pastry shop, everything at our fingertips. So
There you go. Here, eat your
Thank you.
Okay, cheers, everyone.
Cheers
cheer for
to
me.
another fun day.
The dinner. This is really different than I'm used to.
Like English, yeah.
What do you have, honey?
Right there. Oxygen.
Oh.
Comment les chantilly en anglais? Cream. Whipped cream. Okay.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Okay, great. Merci, Carl.
French.
Sorry, I put that. It's okay for you? You're picking this time. I picked last night.
Lots of forks here. Oh my gosh.
Good?
In the mouth.
Good.
So we found this really cute little cafe. Just enjoying our afternoon here. We're gonna have some French onion soup, and I'm getting some Caesar salad. What are you having, honey?
I'm having salmon or salmon.
Oh. And we're just about to get a storm, so we're all protected in here, and John went to go buy an umbrella. It's pouring rain, and it's just so cozy in here. I love it. Everybody's running in here. This is just absolutely perfect because now the sun is out and it's time to leave.
Cocktail? Is that how you say it? I'm sorry.
Cocotte.
Cocotte? Thank you. Deux? Alright. That is chicken. And a waffle?
Waffle?
Yes.
What?
What?
You want to share a waffle, any kind?
Oh yes.
You want to share it, or
Which kind should we get?
what
What about this one, honey? Grand Marnier?
Yeah, we can try that.
Grand Marnier. Oh, there's the scrambled egg.
Oh, she's gonna fill the hole with a scrambled egg. Yeah, there you
I
go.
love that tool. That is really cool.
Smart move. Who ordered that?
I did.
Oh. Oh.
Is lemon church?
This is our takeaway meal. We have to be served tomorrow.